Technology is ever changing. New things come along and push out the old. But what hasn't changed is the need for expertise in a craft. In today's hectic world of business, you need someone you can trust, who has a proven record of success, someone who you can rely on to get the job done. We at SYSCOM are leaders in ImagePlus. Whether you need someone to support your ImagePlus solution, implement a replacement bridge solution, or implement and migrate to a new ECM solution altogether, SYSCOM can partner with you through the storm. For over 25 years, SYSCOM has been a cornerstone of ECM solutions. We have worked with ImagePlus since its inception and have helped countless customers implement, supplement, and manage large ImagePlus-based ECM solutions. ImagePlus is now at end of life, but the ecosystem surrounding it will continue to change. Continuing to run an unsupported ImagePlus solution puts you at risk. SYSCOM can help, not only with your decision, but with the time needed to make that strategic decision. Replace your current ImagePlus solution with our AIS Bridge replacement product. No content migration needed, and minimal disruption to your business users. Extend best effort support for ImagePlus with SYSCOM experts. Or use SYSCOM's ASM full lifecycle migration tool to migrate your ImagePlus content to a new ECM solution. If you are unsure what to do about your ImagePlus environment, let SYSCOM help you define a long-term ECM strategy using one or all of the solutions listed above. SYSCOM's mission is to create and deliver the right technology solutions by teaming with our customers to understand their business needs and empower them to achieve their goals. Visit our website or call today and let us find the right ECM solution for you. SYSCOM. Experts in ECM. Experts you can trust.